Okay, we remove the top plug, the bottom tray, and the tray above the 110 volt. There's a number 20 Torx buried back in here. I'll remove it first. Two Phillips screws down at the bottom here. There's two number 20 Torx on the top. That's about it. Now with the iFix toolkit, slowly pop this away from the dash. Get it behind it. We'll pry it. And it pops off pretty easy. Got to move it into neutral at this point to get out the rest of the way. Sneak it past the gear shift. There's four 9/32 bolts that be removed to hold the U-connect in. Pull it away from the dash. Okay. To disconnect it off the back of the radio, there's a release tab. So I basically unclip this, push it back, and force it off the back of the radio. It comes off pretty quick. See, unclip it. Pretty easy. Then you take your Nav-Hack bypass. Same deal. Oh, you could check, make sure you align the big pins with the big pins on the radio. Push the clip down so it's locked in place. Same deal here. Make sure your large pins are lined up with your large pins. Tuck the wiring and everything back underneath the bracket. That's it. Basically reverse procedure. Put the 4 screws back, hold the U-connect into the dash. Put your dash pan back up, the 5 screws back in, and you're done.